So we left the farm, we made a move, and I had 2 kids, a dog, a husband, and we had to move into a 957 square foot apartment, 958, something like that. Wow. Let me tell you something. When you're used to having thousands of acres around you and no neighbors, that was something. I hadn't lived in an apartment since I was 18. And then to move when I'm 33 with 2 kids and a dog, and my dog has never had to poop in front of people in his entire life. He's always had miles and miles of pasture to go do what he wanted, where he wanted, and how he wanted. That was an adjustment. And we started a landscape business, and it did well. I mean, we're successful in that. We still are. But it takes a lot of time away from family, and we've also branched off in general contracting because we've had a lot of our repeat customers ask, hey, can you do this in my house? Can you do that in my house? So we branched out into that. But again, that takes a lot of time from family. Nobody wants to have time away from family. My kids are 5 and 7. Dude, I'm missing out on a lot. And I'm rightfully tired of it. So I had been scrolling around TikTok and I had seen affiliate marketing posts. And I was like, nah, I can't do that. I don't have what it takes to do that. I was wrong. I made a decision. I found someone that I looked up to and trusted what she said, and I listened to her. And I watched her for quite some time sitting on the sidelines. And I was like, you know what? She's a Texas girl like me. She has priorities. She has standards. She's up early. She has animals to take care of. She goes to work. She comes home. She takes care of her animals. And she still has time to run this business. I own 2 businesses. I can find time to make this work. So I took a chance. And I'm glad I did. Because, man, the support and the people that are involved in this community are like family. Like, I am dead serious. There is nothing that you can say or do, and they're not going to look down upon you. They're going to help you. It's mind-blowing to me that there are still people out there that want to help other people. And I'm one of them. And I'm lucky to be a part of a community that wants to help everybody. And if it wasn't for Passive Income Blueprints, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing. And if it wasn't for Ryder, I would have never taken the chance. I would have never stuck my foot in that open door. I would have probably just closed it and walked away. So I thank her for that.